I'm RC.
And I'm Dusty. We're DIY building our own timber frame home.
And not reading off a teleprompter.
Clearly.
For those of you following us on social media, it's no secret we're building a house. And as promised, we're pulling together our series of full-length videos about our journey. We'll cover how we select our plans, our costs, what we chose to contract and why, what's gone right, what's gone wrong. We may not be master builders, but we are certainly master problem solvers. To kick it off, we thought we'd start from the beginning. Why DIY? For us, well, it was really the perfect storm. We are textbook DIYers and have always been fearless to a fault and cannot help but push ourselves to try bigger and bigger, bolder projects. We've been tackling DIY home remodeling projects in our spare time for about 10 years. We've added a lot of money to the value of our homes before selling. The idea of building our own home has always been a someday we're going to do that project that was thrust to the front of our project priority list when hit by the global pandemic. You know the one that led to labor shortages and skyrocketing material costs. We had no interest in throwing away years of home equity. So we made the leap. We purchased 34 acres in central Indiana, just 20 minutes from downtown Indianapolis. We ordered a home kit, and now we're about 75% through the build. Want to know where we got our plans or how crazy the estimates were? Watch this video next. Want to jump ahead to see where we are today? Check out the description below for the links to all our social media profiles.
Hi, I'm Dusty. I don't do shit right now except for build this house.
So, we've never done this before.
Hey, we're recording this train wreck.
And we've never done this before, so join along and see how the progress goes.
We've worked on our houses for years, and we thought that definitely qualified us to build a whole house. Welcome to Swamp Mercer. We are here to prove that anybody can build a house.
Cool. We good?